Hey, what's up you guys? Interceptor King here. This is our all-wheel drive V8 Dodge Charger. Super clean car. It's only got 41,000 miles on it. Runs and drives like a brand new vehicle. Absolutely no known mechanical issues whatsoever. It drives perfect. If you go to Dodge and you say you want an all-wheel drive Dodge Charger or a Dodge Challenger, they're only going to have V6s if they even have an all-wheel drive one, because the V8 with the all-wheel drive was not offered to the general public. It was only offered to law enforcement. So now's your chance to get one of these, and it's only got 41,000 miles on it. It's got the Firestone Pursuit tires on there. So there it is. Super clean. Hard to get. Rare car. It's a rear-wheel drive based vehicle, and when the rear tires lose traction, the front kicks in. Pursuit. It says Pursuit right down there. Anyway, runs and drives perfect. Bluetooth system. Bluetooth, rear view camera system. That one, I just need to put some air in the back right tire. It was low when I got it. Traction control's off. To turn it back on, you just press this button. But I don't like traction control, so I just leave it off. Who wants traction control? That's for people that don't know how to drive, I guess. Anyways, super clean car. Still gotta clean the interior up a little bit. Red one way, white the other. Spotlight works. Turn that off. I'm just gonna run down the road here real quick. I'm not gonna put my seatbelt on, so if it starts beeping, it's because it's telling me I need to put my seatbelt on. Everything is super tight. These were always professionally maintained and upkept. 41,000 miles. It's got just over 1,500 idle hours, which is low. That's like half the idle hours at least than what I normally get when I get these. But anyways, dash is excellent. It's got a brand new cushion back seat. I gotta clean the seat still. It was stored in a warehouse since it was brand new, and it was a brand new vehicle. They took the rear seat out and put a hard plastic back seat in there. It's got all the door panels. Door panels need to be, I just need to wipe down the interior with some Armor All or something, and it's a little bit dusty in here. But and these are seat covers. Seats look brand new underneath that seat cover. So I'll clean the interior, wipe it down, vacuum it out. It's got rubber matted floors, of course. Cruise control, auto stick. You can manually shift it by pushing that button, and then down or upshift it if you want to. Runs and drives perfect. Super clean, drives straight, brakes feel good. Everything is perfect on this car. Go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. You can click on the notification on the YouTube channel, and it'll keep you updated when I post new videos. And yeah, most amount of vehicle for least amount of money guaranteed. interceptorking.com. You guys take it easy. If you guys want this vehicle, I would jump on it as soon as possible. These things are here one day and gone the next, because they're so hard to get, especially with 41,000 miles. It's like unheard of. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Take it easy.